Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abumwada Biafra. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you about pronouns. Okay, pronouns is nochiaha in Igbo language. Okay, so if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, pronoun is in nochiaha in Igbo language. Okay, pronoun is any word that is used to replace a noun in a sentence. Okay, like David is coming. David is coming. It's okay. You want to replace David with a pronoun. You say he is coming. He is coming. He in the sentence is replacing David, and that is a pronoun. Okay, so like dog is there, so it is there. It in the sentence is replacing dog. Okay, so it is a pronoun. Okay, let me go straight and mention the pronouns in Igbo and English language, both in Igbo and English language. Okay, so we have you are, you, she, has, his, her, our, has, mine, they, I. Okay, we have him, you are, that, he, it, we, their, them, mine, our, us, me. Okay, so let me mention the translation. Okay, in the Igbo language. Okay, you are is gi or unu. Okay, gi or unu. Gi single, that's singular, and unu plural. Okay, one person and more than one person is unu. Okay, one person is gi, more than one person is unu. Okay, the same thing here. You can be used as gi, one person, or unu if more than one person. Okay, so she can be o or o. You know, this is having a dot underneath. Okay, o or o. Okay, this you can use o. How do you know when to use o or when to use o? So this o and o depends on the vowel harmony. Remember, I taught you about the vowel harmony in the last video. Okay, or last two videos. Okay, so you check out the about the verb harmony. Okay, check out the video. Okay, so when do you know when to use o or when to use o? You check the verb stem, the verb stem in the sentence. So you use o if the group of the vowels are a group. Okay, you use o when the vowel, the group of the vowel is a group. Okay, so this is how we know this is a vowel harmony. Okay, so the vowel, vowel harmony in the verb stream in the sentence will determine whether you use o or use o. Okay, so accordingly. Okay, so ha, has, that's the possessive pronoun. I will teach you that in another video. Possessive pronoun. Okay, has, ya, his, ya, her, ya, our, anyị. This is a possessive pronoun. Okay, theirs, her, mine, me, they, her, I, me. Okay, him, ya, yours is a possessive pronoun. Okay, gi or unu, that's singular, one person, gi. If more than one person, you use uno. Okay, that, o or o. Okay, the same with the she, the same with the she. So you need to go back to the vowel harmony. This is where the vowel harmony is very effective. Okay, you will use it here. Okay, he also is o or o. Okay, according to the vowel harmony. Okay, in the verb stem. Okay, it, o or o. Okay, we, anyị, their, her, them, her, mine, me, our, anyị, us, anyị, me, mu, me, mu. Okay, so that is it. That's the whole pronoun. Okay, in English and Igbo language. Okay, so let me give you example of these some of them in a sentence. Mary is coming. Mary na-abịa. Mary is a noun. Okay, Mary na-abịa. Mary is a noun here. Okay, so you want to make it replace this Mary with a pronoun. Okay, you say she is coming. That is o na-abịa. Okay, you see o. Okay, remember she is coming. O. Okay, why did we use o? Okay, you can see that o belongs to this vowel harmony. Okay, a and e belongs to a group. Okay, so automatically, because a group, they have dots underneath. Okay, so that's why we use this o. So underneath. Okay, the same with this. Okay, they belong to the same vowel harmony, the same group. Okay, of vowel. Okay, the vowel a. Okay, so you go back to that video, vowel harmony, so you can understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so Ada. So here she is she and o is a pronoun here. Okay, she is a pronoun. O na-abịa. O is a pronoun. Okay, so Ada and David are here. Ada and David nọ ebe a. Okay, they are. So now we want to replace this Ada and David with a pronoun. Okay, so they are here. Ha nọ ebe a. They are here. They is replacing the two people here. Okay, they is a pronoun. In Igbo means ha nọ ebe a. Ha is a pronoun. Okay, Frank's pencil. This is a possessive noun, okay? Frank's pencil, okay? So pencil, Frank. Pencil, in Igbo language we say pencil, Frank. In English is Frank's pencil. In Igbo is pencil, Frank, okay? So we want to replace this Frank with a pronoun, a possessive pronoun, okay? The pencil is his. The pencil is his. Pencil ahụ bụ nke ya. Ya there is represent pencil. This ya is replacing Frank. Okay. Pencil ahụ bụ nke Frank. Pencil ahụ bụ nke Frank. Okay, you see, pencil ahụ bụ nke Frank. So now we say pencil ahụ bụ nke ya. The pencil is his. The pencil is for Frank. The pencil is Frank's. The pencil is Frank's. So pencil ahụ bụ nke ya. Bunke Frank. So ya and his is they are pronouns. Okay, they are pronouns. Okay, that is a nochi aha. Okay, so if you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay, and introduce this channel to your friends. Okay, and family, especially those of them in Biafra land. Okay, those of them that do in Igbo language in their school. Actually, this will help you in both your Igbo and English language. Okay, and this is the central Igbo language. Okay, so introduce to your friends. God bless you, and see you in the next video. The next video I will be teaching you about pronouns, other types of pronoun. We have two types of pronoun, the separable pronouns and the inseparable pronouns, okay, including the possessive pronoun. So look out for the next video, okay, so that you understand pronoun better, okay, and understand the vowel harmony better, okay. So God bless you. See you in the next video. Okay, take care.